Lisa, turn around.
All right, today we're gonna actually make some friendship bracelets. If you don't know how to do it, they give you the actual system itself, so you can make your bracelet. And if you guys can see, that's a little template, but it's just a picture and how to do it yourself. So there's instructions. They give you thorough instructions step by step how to do it. It's a huge book that you could go through every step. Now they do give you a couple of threads here. You guys can see that. A couple stickers in the back. Letters, so you can start lettering, and different colors that they have, and also beads, different beads. So what are you gonna do first? You're gonna read the instructions. You're gonna read the instructions, and you're gonna start doing what she's telling you to do.
So, look at your dog.
Look at that. You see it again? The other there? There you go. Is that a sticker? What is that?
Yeah, they include stickers that have like on top, like in the box joint thing.